Almost instant, Jesus Christ. Oh, I haven't been fishing here in years. Benson freaking Park. Holy sh! This is crazy. Okay. What shall we do here? What shall we do here? Let's see if we got some trigger the trout. Bass, trout. Alright, so we got some pop-up on some trout, see some good old trouts. We are fishing at one of my childhood ponds. We are in North Omaha. We got pop-ups everywhere. So, yeah. See if we can get something along these little ridges and edges right here. Ooh, there was a trout right there running. He ran right up on it too. He chased up. Man, I just seen him. He just hit it again. Okay. Well, we definitely got trout over here, and I have a contusion. So we definitely did have a trout chase. So I'm gonna we're definitely gonna use my fly rod to catch some trout today. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. I got high faith. I got high faith, like high faith. What these trout do, they'll sit up on these edges right here, and they'll just be ready to go. They'll be ready to go. They'll be ready to snap something. I want to go try that little grassy edge over there too. Now this area isn't, oh, there we go. There we go. I don't know what we got right here. It might be a bass. Oh, nope, we got a trout. Nice. Very nice. First one of the day, and he is, calm down, son. Calm down. So yeah, there's 1,000 trout in here. It's a decent pan-sized trout right there. That's eater size right there, folks. I don't have my bucket, so I can't take it home. But that was the first trout of the day. I like edges. You feel me? I like edges. Ooh, there you go. There's another one. Told you I like edges, yo. I like edges, folks. There's another one. This might be a good spot to get the fly in too. That's a big one right there. That's a real nice size one. Trout number 2 for the day. Trout number 2. But this boy, he has fins. You know what I'm saying? You can see the fins on him. You know what I mean? Oh, folks. We at Benson Park. I done caught 3 trout, and I thought my phone was recording, and it wasn't even recording. Calm down, buddy. So, actually, I don't see any signs. I don't see any signs. I don't see any signs on the dock. I don't see none. Oh, catch me a trout right here. How deep do it go? Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, it still drops. Oh, it still drops. Oh, and it's still dropping. Oh, it's still dropping. Oh, it's still dropping. It just dropped. So it is, oh, that was a trout. You see that? They just coming out here and fishing. Yeah, watch how much ground I'm gonna cover. Oh, got him. Got him. Got him. I don't want to stress. I don't want to stress him out though. Like that. Ah. If I'm not mistaken, this is a nice little ridge right here, so there should be some trout like right along this lining. Really? This is my first time ever getting a snag, folks. I was actually... Who started cooking? No, not y'all trying to cut my fishing short. I want some chicken, fuck. Folks, for real. Bring some food with me. Because if I start smelling my stomach gonna start bubbling. Oh, he's small. He's small. He's small, real small. Smallest one of the day. He did. He did. On God, he did. On God, he did. He just reel it back. They be catching trout all day. Just because it's hot, bro. They're not hot water. They're not hot water fish. They're cold water. 80 degrees and up. 80 degrees and up is hot. Hot as. But the reason why they dump them is because it's about to start getting cold. Next week, when we come out here and fish, 60 inch. Yep. Yep. I must be onto the shrimps. I'm not even tripping. At least I know the spot. I said, I know the spot. We got it. We locked in on my soul. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. It's about a 2-piece watch. I'm gonna hit some. I'm gonna hit some. I'm gonna hit some. I'm gonna hit some. I'm not gonna hit that. Recording till my phone die. We about to get a lot of content today. Fingers like where? Where? What lake? Cunningham? Oh, I don't know. Nope. Oh my gosh. Whoop, there's another one. Oh my! I seen him pop that mug. I seen him pop that mug. That's fire. That was tough. Look slightly. Yo, God, I do need to have it. Yeah, I need to have this mug right here. Yeah, I ain't really tripping, folks. We done caught damn many. I ain't even tripping about landing this until I got my strainer.
You landed it already.
You know what I'm saying? I just need my strainer, folks. Hand size.
You stand no chance with me, sir.
Hand size.
You stand no chance with me.
You don't stand no chance with me.
Bro. I mean, pump yourself up. Come on.
You don't stand no chance with me. Dang, there's another one, folks. This is number, what? 11? Oh, he came on. His air bubble or whatever they call it, air bladder. Going somewhere, spider web. I didn't give you no permission to be on me. Oh, there's another one. Oh, he got off. Huh? Hell no, he'll be, he'll definitely come back up. Definitely your fault. That's a nice bump. I love the fact that these Panther Martins don't go far, but they're so effective. This is usually all I use when I go to Colorado. I be smacking trout. There goes another one. It's a nice one. Mine. Trout Hurricane. Trout Hurricane. Start dragging cub by the lips. Yeah, they stock some pretty nice sizes. That's usually how I always cast. The bait cast. Bait caster, folks. I am an anti-bait caster.
I am an anti-bait.
Huh? Yeah. This ain't strong enough to lift it all the way over. I'm gonna two-hand this. Here, bro. Here. Yeah. Yeah.
That's shocking.
Hey!
What?
Now leave! No, I want to.
I believe so.
He takes his kids and his wife.
Oh yeah.
I've been watching him for a minute. It's cool.
Yeah, the dude that's in Alaska, or he like in Alaska or
He's in
something?
Virginia, but he's from Alaska.
Ah, okay. There you go. Yes, sir. There you go, folks. Finish the happy dance.